Hey everyone, welcome to Heart for Art. My name is Layla. Today's DIY, we are going to go ahead and do something that I have been wanting to do for a very long time. So go ahead and get your scrap fabric, jute twine, and some wooden leaves ready so we can dive into this DIY. Let's go. Here I have a tile decal from Dollar Tree that I purchased. It's gold and white. It's kind of like a bronzy gold. And I go ahead and stick all the maple leaves that I purchased from Dollar Tree as well. And I think these are maple leaves. I stick them all around on all four corners, and I take one and stick it in the middle. And I cut around it to separate them. And then I add some Mod Podge and stick it down, because they do stick, but they're not very sticky. They need a little bit of help. So I go ahead and add a good thick coat of Mod Podge and stick it down, let it dry for a couple of hours, and I will come back and use my X-Acto knife, which is not my favorite method, but because this is a little bit thicker, I had to use X-Acto knife to cut around the leaf. So before using the X-Acto knife, I did try actually using the sandpaper. That's what was sitting right there, but it was so thick that it was crinkling up the whole thing. I didn't want to mess it up. So I go ahead and cut it with X-Acto knife, and then I take the sandpaper, which is my favorite method to do, and I sanded everything down. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a good coat of, I don't know what the color is called. It's like a bronze, I think, by Anita's from Hobby Lobby. I do the edges and I kind of give it a distressed look to mute down the white a little bit, and I will paint the back completely with the same color. I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree jute twine to feed through the maple leaf hole. This is the original one that came with it. I just poked some holes through the tile backing and I just fed through it. Kind of did a lark's knot, and this is all done. Now, I did 3 of them this way. 2 of them I hung them from the stem part of the leaf. So basically upside down leaf, just to add some interest to what I am creating. And you guys will see in the end what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you guys kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. So here are the 3 that I did. The other 2, I am going to hang them from the stem part of it, just kind of like an upside down leaf to give it some added interest. I'm taking some Dollar Tree jute twine again and just going to wrap it around the stem portion of it. I did not put it in, I kept going out of frame, guys. I'm so sorry about this. I don't know what was going on with me. But as you could tell over here, it's just a simple wrap, and then I put some hot glue in the back. I tie a knot, and I don't remember if I tie a knot or not, but I put hot glue in the front of it and the back of it. It's just gonna hang. It's not going to hold any kind of weight or anything, so I wasn't too concerned about really securing it down. So it's just secure enough to create kind of like a hanging leaf. I create the tie for both the leaves, so they both will be hanging upside down, and I tie a knot at the end of the rope or the jute to create a loop. Not sure if you guys figured it out, but I'm making a fabric garland, and I'm just found the center of my jute twine, which I'm using from Dollar Tree. I doubled it up as the base. I found the center where it's going to hang, which is my china cabinet, equal distance for the other 4, so they all lay nicely in the front, and then I will be doing the shabby garland. Here I have some drop cloth that I will be ripping and creating 6-inch strips, approximately 6 inches. I don't measure, I just cut and go. This is fabric from Hobby Lobby that I purchased a couple years ago, and this is from Walmart. So they're all cut approximately 6 inches. I just do a pattern, whatever suits my liking, which was drop cloth, the checkered, and the orange fabric, and I just do it throughout the whole entire garland piece. Well guys, this is all I've done for the whole garland. This was today's DIY. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.